Honorable Chairperson, teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to all of you present here. This is Ashish Ranjan standing in front of you to tell about an important topic, that is impact of GST in Indian economy. GST means goods service tax. It is implement on 1 July 2017. It was implemented to simplify the all complex tax like service tax, VAT and etc. It is used to boost the Indian economy. Goods service tax was implemented on every object in different percentage, like on object 18% and other objects 6%, and it is play an important role in our Indian economy. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Diyakar from class 10, and today on the topic of the impact of GST of Indian economy. The first of all, the impact of Indian economy is positive effect, and the full form of GST, the service and the growth and service tax in 2070. It is in direct tax and on. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you present here. Myself Divya Prakash Kumar from Standard 10. Today I am here to speak on the topic of the impact of GST on the Indian economy. So firstly we have to know that what is GST. GST is also known as Goods and Service Tax, which is implemented by Indian government on 1st July 2027. It is introduces for make the complex tax of India in simple taxes. Just like there are before 2017 there are many taxes like VAT, SAT and also a service tax. But after 2017 the government abolish all these tax and come with another only one tax, which is known as GST. The percentage GST on the goods are different. Just like for any good the GST is 80%, for others it is 8% or 9%. The GST have both impact, positive and negative. Positive impact is that it simplify the complex taxes, and the negative impact is that it made hard for the small businessmen to grow. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Ankit Kumar Singh from Standard 10. Today I am here to deliver a morning speech on the topic of impact of GST on Indian economy. In GST in India is come in 1st July 2017, and there are both positive and negative impact of GST. The positive impact of GST is that it helped to simplify the structure increase in India, and there were many taxes in India that like service tax and many taxes in which on the goods that are applied, like 6% on every goods, 6%, 8% and other taxes were be applied. And the negative impact of GST in Indian economy is that it changed to cash flow of Indian economy, and it also decrease difficulty in Indian tax structure, and that make India's economy very harshly flow, and that's is the negative impact of GST in Indian economy. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you present here. My name is Himanshu Kumar Singh from Standard 10, and today I will share my thoughts on the topic of the impact of the GST in the Indian economy. GST is a stand for the gross and service tax. It is introduced on 1st June 2007 by the P. Chidambaram. The impact of the GST is positive because it reduces the many service tax like VAT and Indian economy tax. So that's all for the. Thank you.
Good morning, respected judges, esteemed teacher, and my dear friends. Myself, Anish Kumar of grade 10th. Today, I stand in front of you to discuss a topic that play a vital role in our Indian economy. That is, the impact of GST on Indian economy. So, the term GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. It was first introduced in July 1st, 2017. It includes the things which we buy. It includes indirectly to the goods. It is just like a tax in which it simple means that the tax on goods which we buy. The tax on goods which we buy. A common point is a fact is noted that most of the goods have 18% of tax. GST, the main aim of GST to remove the complexity of tax structure into simplified, because we all know that India is a developing country and we all developing day by day. For this, GST play a vital role. It means that our Indian economy also depend on GST. The contribute of GST in our Indian economy and in development of country is very essential. In ancient time, GST was not introduced. There was taxes on goods, and on goods there are also a tax. It means that there was very complexity. For this, to make complexity into simplicity, our Indian government recognized GST in 2017 for a better future and economy of the Indian country. That's all for today. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Vaishnavi from Standard 10th, standing in front of you to discuss about a very crucial topic, and that is the impact of GST on the Indian economy. First of all, let us know what is GST. So GST stands for Good and Service Tax. It was introduced in 1st July 2017. GST is a type of indirect tax which is charges on goods. For example, like chocolates, snacks, kurkure, or everything. It helps in the development of the country, like in making of infrastructure, bridges, school and healthcare, and also for the import and export of the country. It facilitates our transport system also. That's all for today. Thank you all for your heartful attention.
Good morning, everyone. This is Alia Mahwish of Standard 10th. Today I would be speaking about a very crucial topic, that is the impact of GST in our Indian economy. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. GST is firstly abolished on 17 July 2017. GST is a kind of tax that is applied from a small good like needle to big machineries. GST is abolished on each item. The common citizen of India has to pay GST to the government. It was introduced for simplification of other indirect taxes like VAT, SAT, because when VAT, SAT has to be taken from common citizens, then another tax was to be added to pay. That's why GST was introduced to pay only one tax instead of all other indirect taxes. GST plays a very imperative role in Indian economy. When people pay on each item when traveling on roads or flying from aeroplanes, GST is paid. All the money of GST government uses for the development of infrastructures and machineries, industrial development and other kind of strategies to develop schools, hospitals for civilians and poor people. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Manisha Kumari from Standard 10. Today I am standing here before you a very interesting topic, the impact of GST in our Indian economy. GST is a tax which is introduced in July 2017. It was mainly passed by 2006 in Chidambaram. GST improves our Indian economy for goods and services. GST also increased the prices of goods and services, and the GST tax was also helps to improve the government and uses for the infrastructures and industries. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, myself Pami Patel from grade 10th. Today I am here to discuss about on the topic the impact of GST in the Indian economy. GST stands for Good and Service Tax. GST is an indirect tax which is taken by the government on every product which is manufactured in industries as well as in a small industries. GST helps in the development of our economical development of our country. If the GST of any country decreases, then the development will also increases. The government takes GST in a small object, a small things to in large machines or large things. That's all for today, and thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. This is Aisha from Standard 10. Today I stand before you to discuss on a topic the impact of GST in Indian economy. As we know that it is introduced 1 July in 2017. It is an indirect tax which imply all the goods and products. The main purpose of GST is that elimination of cascading effect, and it enhance our GDP and create a national market and to improve our business environment. And in last, I would tell that GST makes a good country. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Ayush Kumar Singh of Standard 10. Today I am present to deliver a short speech. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Prabhat Pal from Standard 10. Today I am honored to discuss about the important topics, the impact of GST in Indian economics. First of all, we know about what is GST. GST is an indirect tax which imposed by our Indian government in 1st July 2017. If we now full form of GST is good service tax, which means the tax imposed on every goods, such like our gross product, etc. It vary from goods to goods, such as on grocery products 0% GST, and a games product is at 28%. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself is Shivam Patel of class 10, and today I am present here to tell about the topic on impact of GST in our economy. GST stands for Good Service Tax. It is implemented on 1st July of 2017 in government of BJP. Means that what is mean by GST? GST means a unique tax. Unique tax for many taxes, for example VAT and many more, like sales tax. GST makes our economy better. For example, for mostly like business, because in business many taxes makes the owner very weak. So GST makes it simple, and in our daily life also. For example, it is equivalent in 5%, 12%, 28%, and 32%. GST makes our life better in economy. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Sachin Kumar of Standard 10. Today's my topic is impact of GST in Indian economy. The GST stands for means that good service tax. It is introduced in India 1st July 2017 by the government. Before this in India the government take many taxes like VAT or other taxes, but the government of India makes one tax is known as GST. In GST, five types of slabs. First 0% tax and 5% tax, 13% tax and 18%, 80% tax and 28% tax. 18% tax is mostly taken by government for every goods, and GST is including for every and each goods in Indian economy. GST make an important role in Indian economy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Myself Rashid Akhtar from Standard 10. Today I share my thoughts on the topic the impact of GST in Indian economy. So as we know that GST means gross and service tax, but in earlier time there were many types of tax imply on goods like VAT tax, excise tax that were very difficulties for the people to paying that type of tax. So to make it simplify, the one type of tax were implemented and it was informed so that GST was introduced in 1 July 2007. That makes very simple to the economic growth and it has the very positive impact on economic growth and every field. That's all. Thank you.
I want to give thanks for higher official who honored to me say something in front of you. On behalf of CBSE Competitive School, a very good morning respected teachers, principal and all dear my friends. Myself Suraj Kumar of Standard 10th. Today my topic is the impact of GST in Indian economy. So this word GST means good service tax. It is introduced 1st July 2017. So it is very important for Indian. It is 80% good service in India. So it is very easy big business, but very difficult in a small business. So take good service in India is very important. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A present good morning to all of you. Myself Ranish Kumar from Standard 10th. Here I am standing in front of you for deliver a short speech on the topic of the positive impact of GST in India economic. GST stands for the good and service taxes. It was imposed by the Indian government on 1st July 2027. Thanks.
Good morning everyone. Myself Aditya Kumar from class 10. Today my topic is the impact of GST in Indian economy. GST means good service tax. It is an indirect tax. GST introducing on 1 July 2017 in India to reduce many different tax. That's all. Thank you.
A lovely morning to one and all present here, as Aisra Standard 10 standing here in the front of you all to share her perception on the topic of the impact of GSTs on the Indian economic. So, firstly, the GST means the goods service taxes. It is introduced on the 1st of July 2017. It is an indirect taxes on every daily goods which we use in our daily life. The GSTs, there were very deeply impact of the GSTs on our Indian economic. It's improved the businesses of India's and helps and this money which is taken from the GSTs is helps in other works of the Indian, and it increases the GDP of our country. It is introduced by replacing of many taxes which is gathered with each other and makes our country's GSTs very, very complexes. That's all for today. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Anjali Kumari from Standard 10. Today I am going to speak about the impact of GST in Indian economic. The first we know that the full form of GST, Goods Service Tax, it is introduced in India 1 July 2017. The impact of GST in Indian economic is positive. It also improved the business environment. When GST is introduced in India, so many people are confused from this. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Sadia and today I am here to share my thoughts on impact of GST Indian economy. The GST and Good Service Tax introduced on 1st July 2017. It is very important to the infrastructure of It is very important to infrastructure of hospitals, colleges and buildings, etc. It helps to simply all other tax like VAT and SAT. So government use GST for goods. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teachers, principals and all my dear friends. Myself Sabya Patak from Standard 10. I am a student of CBSE school and today I am here to give a speech on the topic of the impact of GST in Indian economies. The first of all, GST full form is the Good Services Tax and was the introduced to 1 July 2017 and was the thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Kushi from Standard 10. Today I send you to share experience on the topic the impact of GST in our Indian economy. So firstly, the goods and service taxes introduced in India on the July 1st, 2017. It improved business environment. It is important in infrastructure of infrastructure, school, hospital, etc. It is used in simplified to the indirect tax like VAT and SAT. GST is very important for us in our Indian economy. Government use this tax for repairing roads, hospitals, schools, government schools, etc. Thank you.
A warm pleasant morning to all of you. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. This is Ujair of Standard 10 present in front of you to speak about impact of GST in Indian economy. As you know, GST is taken in everything and GST taken 0%, 5%, 13%, 24% and 18%. Egg, milk and etc. no tax, GST 0%. But butter, ghee is 18%. That's our thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am delivering a speech on the topic of impact of GST all India economic. GST is introduced in 1st July 2017. GST is a many type of the earlier two custom tax and income tax. Custom tax introduced in many things like a object and income tax is introduced in money and etc. GST is nothing but all thing. Thank you.
Good morning to all of our respected teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Aman Park from class 10. Today is my topic: the impact of GST in Indian economy. The impact of in Indian economy is very big, and GST is government provide service for people. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Samir. GST stands for Goods, Services, Taxes on such things we consume in our daily lives, like milk, eggs, etc. GST roles are important in Indian economy. GST is a indirect taxes, and other way, income tax is a direct taxes. There are only two types of taxes: indirect taxes and direct taxes. Indirect taxes are taken from our everything we use in our daily lives. Thank you.
A very pleasant morning to all of you respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. I am Ashish Kumar from class 10. Today I am present in front of you to tell few lines about the Impact of GDP in Indian economy. The GDP is introduced in India in 1st July 2017. It refers to the gross domestic product. It is an indirect service tax that is levied by the central government. It implements the all services and goods tax to the government. If one goods is transported from one place to another place, the total cost that are implemented on its transportation that are all added on its price. If a goods is for only 10 rupees and it is transported from one place to another place, that transportation fees is added on it. That makes the goods valuable and its GDP is counted in India. So that's all. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Rohit Kumar. My topic name is the virtual of GST in Indian economics. As we know that the virtual of GST in Indian economics is very big. It play important virtual role of Indian economics. GST government provides service in for people. Thank you. That's all. Thanks.
Good morning everyone, my name is Saurabh Gupta from class 10. Today I am going to deliver a short speech on the topic of impact of GST in Indian economy. The impact of GST in Indian economy is very important. It plays vital role in Indian GST. Oh sorry. That's all, thank you.
Lovely present here, this is Akash, standard 10. Today I am here to short speech on the topic of the impact of GST in Indian economy. As you know that the word GST means a good service tax. In Indian, the GST indirectly added to the all things are goods. The Indian role of the development of the GST in all things of 18% in the development of India. So that the impact of Indian economic, as we know that is all of the things. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I delivered a speech on the topic of impact of GST in Indian economy. GST stands for Good Service Tax on everything. Like every goods in India, there is 18% GST in everything. Thanks.
Good morning everyone. I am Satyam Kumar of Standard 10. Today I am present in front of you to deliver a morning speech in the topic of the importance of GST in Indian economy. First of all, GST means good service tax. There are mainly. Thank you.